let me invite Professor Girish Chandra Tripathi, an absolutely fantastic academician who is now impacting big way in the policy making of the academic world in UP and elsewhere. And we are extremely delighted to have you, sir. May I request you, on behalf of everyone, to please come over and address us.
Respected Professor Furqan Qamar, Dr. Rizvi, distinguished scholars, my respected sisters and brothers. At the very outset, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the organizers of this conclave for providing me an opportunity to be with you this morning and share some of my views on this very, very pertinent and relevant theme. One thing I would like to present before you, that India is not simply a piece of land. Our rishis and munis devoted whole of their lives to realize the truth and mystery behind this creation. And ultimately they succeeded. They realized the truth and mystery behind this creation. और इसलिए कहा गया ऋषयो मंत्र द्रष्टारा, उन्होंने किताब में नहीं पढ़ा चीज़ों को. They made their respective bodies their lives. And once they realized the truth and mystery behind this creation, they developed a philosophy, vision and approach to life, which is India. India is a piece of land, no doubt, but India is a philosophy, a vision, which tells us our approach to life. And on the basis of that vision, philosophy and approach to life, we developed our social, economic, political, cultural life. Even that philosophy, vision and approach to life is the basis of science and technology in India, which tells us science and technology is for society. Society is not for science and technology. And there is another approach जो ये कहती है कि ये सारा संसार हमारी भोग भूमि है और मैं इसका भोगता हूँ. And on the basis of this philosophy, the whole earth has been polluted, air has been polluted. And now the challenge before education is the challenge before humanity. One thing I would like also to present before you, education is a tool not only to enlighten human minds, but also their hearts. And this education will be capable to do only when education is rooted in basic values of the nation. Friends, freedom, independence and sovereignty matter. But what matters more is to sustain with freedom, independence and sovereignty over a period of time. Who can? Maybe the case of individual, society or nation. Only one who is free, independent and sovereign in respect of education and knowledge. So, a nation is not built overnight. Rather, it's an outcome of the efforts and endeavors of capable, committed, cultured, and devoted citizens of the nation. And the mechanism that prepares, produces, creates such citizens is known as education. So, what I already presented before all of you, कि that the basic philosophy, vision and approach to life is same. And that should be the basis of, the main objective of education. That is the basic challenge before education at present. हमारे विद्यार्थी बहुत, दिमाग उनका बहुत तेज है, लेकिन उनके हृदय में बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं हैं। हमने महिलाओं के सम्मान और सुरक्षा के कितने कानून बनाए, पर क्या महिलाओं का सम्मान और सुरक्षा हो पा रहा है? ये केवल कानून का विषय नहीं है, क्योंकि कानून तो हम जानते हैं, लेकिन हमारे हृदय में जब तक महिलाओं के प्रति सम्मान का भाव नहीं होगा, तब तक कानून से केवल नहीं होगा। सो द बेसिक फिलॉसफी, vision and approach to life should be the basis of education. That is the challenge before education. People belonging to different universities are here. Once there was a meeting of academicians and industrialists. So many problems of industry were discussed and certain suggestions made before the presence of Honorable His Excellency the President Pranab Mukherjee ji. But I said, as I know, university stands for universe and not for industry alone. Because the problems of industry are the challenge before education, no doubt. But the problems which industry has created before the society are also a great challenge before education at present. हमारे जंगल आज खत्म हो रहे हैं, नदियां सूख रही हैं, और मानवीय मूल्यों की जो स्थिति बन रही है, पारिवारिक मूल्य हमारे जो खत्म हो रहे हैं, ये वो जो फिलॉसफी हमारी जो थी जीवन की, वो एजुकेशन का बेस न होने के कारण ये हो रही। सो टेक्नोलॉजी इज ए टूल, नो डाउट. Online education is an alternative, but it cannot be a perfect substitute of face-to-face teaching. When we interact with each other, then various things are automatically become our ideal. So, face-to-face no doubt, online education is an alternative, and we should not only learn it, adopt it, but it should be a part of our integral educational mechanism. But it cannot be a perfect substitute of face-to-face teaching. Therefore, education is a mechanism which will produce capable, committed, devoted, cultured human beings. And the basic aspect of national education policy is that education be rooted in basic values of the nation. And that is the challenge. Who can teach basic values to students? जब हम खुद उनको अडॉप्ट करेंगे तब स्टूडेंट्स हमसे उनको सीखेंगे, और ये ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन से संभव नहीं है. इट इज़ पॉसिबल ओनली थ्रू फेस टू फेस टीचिंग. सो नो डाउट आई वुड लाइक टू thank organizers of this conclave, because these issues, when discussed and problems are understood, only then solutions and challenges can be converted into opportunities. So, in different technical sessions, I am sure these issues will be raised, problems will be discussed, and solutions will be also provided. So, the society that knows the challenges will automatically be capable to sort out solutions and convert challenges into opportunities. So, again, I would like to thank Dr. Rizvi ji, Sharma ji, for providing me an opportunity to be with you and learn something which I still feel is necessary for a teacher, for students, and also for the society. National education policy is before us, but this education policy can be implemented only when students understand it, teachers are equipped, and society adopts this new education policy, National Education Policy 2020. So these are the basic challenges for which we will have to sort out solutions. Only then these challenges will be converted into opportunities. Thank you.